Non-metallic minerals are skyrocketing. Let's see why. The non-metallic mineral products market is growing fast. From cement to ceramics, these materials are essential across industries like construction and electronics. In 2023, the market hit a whopping USD 13 billion and is set to reach USD 15 billion by 2030, with a CAGR of 7%. What's driving this growth? Expansion in global construction, especially in emerging economies, is a big one. Technological advancements have improved quality and applications, while urbanization and infrastructure development continue to push demand. Regional analysis are: Asia-Pacific leads, with massive infrastructure projects in China and India. North America follows, integrating advanced tech and sustainable practices. Europe? It's all about strict regulations and renovation activities. Meanwhile, Latin America and the Middle East and Africa are catching up with urban expansion and resource availability. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at enquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.